You're gonna make the snack, the high protein snack that you didn't know you needed in your life. And it is 3 ingredients. It might not sound appetizing, but it's delicious, tastes good, high protein, get a little bit of fats, get a little bit of carbs. And again, it's just good. So all it is cottage cheese. You're just gonna go a cup of cottage cheese. Plop that on in there. Again, you can change the amounts to whatever you need. You got our cottage cheese. You're gonna go peanut butter. Yeah, that's probably like thinking, ugh, that's weird. Well, try it, you might like it. 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. Okay, you got peanut butter and blueberries. I like frozen. Again. Five-second rule. Again. Cottage cheese, peanut butter, blueberries. Try it.